have that, you just put this back. It's just gonna snap in, and there you go. You're all done. Now this is actually all done, and you're ready to go. So this is how it looks like. As you guys can see, it's pretty nice design. I don't like the top of it, how it actually looks from the pictures that you guys will see on Amazon. This looks like it would be plastic, however it's not. And it can't be plastic because this needs to go to it. So, because you can put this as tight as you want. So technically, the material cannot be plastic. And it looks like plastic in the pictures, just so they can make it look good. So it doesn't look that great. That said, it's nice and soft, although that's not really a need. Regardless, it's gonna make it more comfortable. So the front, don't like how that looks exactly. And but everything else about the design I do like. So everything else looks just fine. And that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.